So now everyone, we are going to solve the second example in here, and we are going to use this property, which is about changing the base. Log base a of b, you can change the base into the b by moving it to the denominator part, which is this one becomes log base b of a. So now we are going to use this property from right to the left. The logarithms in the base parts, we are going to move them up to the numerator part. So it will be 4 times of logarithm over 1. Since it's going to be over 1, I don't even write that part. So log base 2 of 12 is going to become log base 12 of 2. And then the next one, 2, is going to be there already, times log base 3 of 12. When you change places, it's going to be log base 12 of 3. So later we should combine these two logarithms. That's why we move the numbers in to be able to combine them. Log base 12 of 2 to the power of 4 is going to be, and log base 12 of 3 to the power of 2. So then we can combine these two logarithms and make them 1. Log base 12 of. If you are adding the same base logarithms, you can combine them with times. 2 power 4, 2 to the power of 4 makes 16, and 3 squared makes 9. If I remember well, the product of these two numbers makes 144. Log base 12 of 144. So you are asking which power of 12 is 144? Power 2.